go. I'll work here every day for a year.
Yours, kid.
Do you speak? You sound like a little bumblebee. Only person you can show yourself around is me. So let's say we're driving and all of a sudden, somebody's there, hide! You serious? Let me see if I can fix it.
I pray this message finds you. Our war rages on.
The voice mentioned a war. You're hiding from something?
The criminal from our world is hiding on yours. Our common enemy isn't found.
We'll burn the whole planet to cinders. Take it down!
My back, babe!
B-127. You must protect Earth and its people.
Thank you.
Run! Do not run! She ran.
Bumblebee. What have you done? I am so screwed.